Last hike of New Zealand vlogs.
Are you sure it's even the last?
Last what?
Are you sure it's the last?
Hike? Yeah, we're not going to Christchurch to hike.
I know.
Because it's a city like Auckland.
Please.
It's 8:15. We're starting a little bit later today just because today's hike is like 3 to 5 hours, I think. It's the Hooker Valley hike. I think it's supposed to be really short compared to what we've done. Weather be like weather clouds. Time to take my toes.
You got pigment on the forehead now.
Yeah, I know. I got. Oh my gosh, it's so bad.
Now apply that steroid to
Yeah, the hot
get rid of
chocolate.
the inflammation.
It's done. Okay, time to get rid of that. Apparently the walk we're doing today is very chill and even pregnant people can do it. So I think we're chilling. Since it's one of our last few hikes, I think I want to be cute today. Okay, outfit change. Ta-da! I might throw on my parachute black pants over these, depending on how cold it is, but the sun is out, so I'm thinking I probably won't.
Why are you so hot suddenly?
Yeah, wait, why are you so cool when you came out? Yeah.
But what it gets?
We look like we're gonna 3-day overnight hike. But honestly, it's just a 3-hour hike that even pregnant women can do. Okay, so we started the hike. Weather is not ideal. The sun is out, but it's cloudy and it's kind of drizzling. But yeah, I think it's kind of fun. And it's only a really slight incline, but the rain's like beating on my face. The rain kind of adds to the drama. Look at that! That is a massive bridge. And a rainbow. You all see how this is moving? Oh my gosh. Actually kind of scary and I'm not afraid of heights. I think we're officially in Hooker Valley.
Blue sky.
Some. We're on another bridge. Yay! This walk is a lot longer than I expected and the conditions are not ideal. But the sun is coming up, so there's that. I'm still being pelted by the tiny raindrops. This is bridge number 3, I think. Yeah. Bridge number 3, I hope we're almost there. I think it's so cool how they basically chain this bridge to the rocks. Like, look at that. Is holding like 3 chains. Nature is holding us up from nature. Okay, literally 2 seconds later and the weather is clear! It's still a bit cloudy, but it stopped pelting on my face. I even might strip my jacket. We're here! I'm struggling so hard. It's so windy, but not gonna lie, kind of mid. Also, continue to rain. Don't let the sun and the blue skies lunchtime in the rain on the rocks.
At the foot of the glacier.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I heard something fall out just now that sounded.
In my pocket. Sorry, I'm going to fight.
Not right here, pa.
I think rain is abysmal.
Huh?
Rain is annoying.
Wow, it's fully raining now. Be careful. Kita behind us, Mom. The wind is crazy. Yo, it's so windy that this bridge is shaking. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it was so windy just now. You hear it like just one. Can you see that? Can you see that? Remember when I said today was going to be like a chill 3 to 5 hour walk? Apparently the walk we're doing today is very chill and even pregnant people can do it. Guess what time it is? It's 4:25. What time did we start? Like 10 o'clock. So that was like a 6-hour trip-ish. And we were in the trenches. I was eating lunch under a rock in the rain. So what an experience. You truly never know what you're gonna get when you go hiking with my family. I really don't know why I expected today to be chill. Number of steps, let's see, 23,986. I did not expect to be walking that much today, but like I said, you never know what you're gonna get. Nice and toasty with your shoes out. Oh, finally home and untape my toes.
Yeah, I'm going to do what?
Untape my toes. Okay, 7:27, we are gonna get dinner at a food truck. And of course, our last post-hike meal is gonna be fish and chips. And if it's from a food truck, based on previous experiences, it's probably good. Yay! This is where we're eating. Yay! And it looks super good.
That's you?
Yeah, it's for the vlog. Jump shot! Jump!
Yeah, they definitely didn't get it.
We all went at different times, somebody won.
Well, only Mimi and I moved. Tete had the thought. Oh, okay.
Oh, my legs bend.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are the half squat.
That does look good.
That's nice.
It is nice.
So cold! We're transforming our car into the picnic table.
Okay, it's pretty good. It looks good right now.
Oh wait. It's done! Oh wait, this is fire, okay. Then we can close the doors and then unwind down the
Oh yeah, sure. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, open it on the
Oh, that's the car key, ma.
Yeah? Try close the door first. Try close the doors there. Yeah, it's quite warm. Oh yeah, wait. Yeah, that's good there.
So
Okay.
close the door. I don't know why the
Wait, go open the boots, ma. You can see out. Van life. How do I say this out? Never mind. Okay. Thanks, ma. This is the setup. Sister is over there getting the food, securing the food.
Jay, come back.
Come back fast, sir.
No, but you have to fill up the gap.
Yeah, so you put a net.
It's food time. Wow, it's so nice. Yeah. It smells so good. It's time to feast. Itadakimasu! Yeah, itadakimasu! Yay! It looks good, guys. Guys, this moon is actually lighting up my face right now. The moon is actually lighting up.
Shut up, mate. We heard you the first. Oh my god, no wonder you're saying that shit so loud.
We're at the Church of Good Shepherd now to take some star pics. Insert star pics here.